Good morning, guys. Welcome to my humble abort. It's like freaking 9 o'clock in the morning. As you can see, we're back in the hood, you feel me? So, anyways, I mentioned to y'all before, I was gonna give you an update what's popping with my car, which is behind me. So, anyways, so in front of me, I do have my Ford right there. Yeah, it's hella here. That's what we're dealing with right here. It's like early January. We're gonna probably get this probably all of January. Then February is gonna probably slow down a little bit. We'll see. But anyway, so what's popping? My car is currently in the garage. The Audi RS5 is currently in the garage. Well, in my garage. So I'm gonna be taking the car to Audi to get some repairs done. So what happened and why am I gonna be taking my car to Audi to get some work done on it again? So before we even get started, I'm gonna have to move this, then pull that out, which is currently kind of dirty. It is what it is. Once they get the repairs done, hopefully, like finger crossed, they're probably gonna get the car washed or get the car clean. I hope they do. So first and foremost, guys, make sure you see the subscribe button on the right on the right side on your screen. Yeah, just click that on me one time. I'ma wait. Thank you. And you see on the left side, you see the thumbs up button. Just make sure you click that on me one time. Alright, appreciate it. So let's get this video popping. Alright, one time I'm gonna have to clean the snow off my car, diffusion, and then pull out the Audi, and then yeah, and also we're probably gonna be going to we have to go to Enterprise. I'm gonna have to get a rental for the day. Well, for the meantime till my Audi gets some repairs done. So let me pull out the cars one time, and then I'm gonna explain you exactly why why am I taking the car to Audi dealership. I don't. That's done. So now let's hear a cool story of the RS5, and then I'm gonna explain you exactly Wagwan. Then I'm gonna show you guys the walk around, and then you're gonna find out exactly Wagwan with the car. Alright, done. Yo, let's get a cool start one time. So right now, obviously you can see we're in the Audi. So I'm gonna start the car in sport mode, or in dynamic, which is sport mode. Okay. Alright, so you put the car in dynamic, and then put your foot on the brake. I haven't actually driven this car in like 2 weeks now, since the incident happened, which I'm about to explain to you guys just now. Before I get started, like I said, let's get a cold start on deck. Alright. Every time I freaking come to, like, yo, I always have a freaking smile. Like, she sounds super mean. Like, y'all hear the rumble? Sheesh. Oh God, yo, I miss her. She's beautiful. I'm gonna give it a couple reps just for y'all, and then I'm gonna explain to y'all. Actually, I'm gonna put the car out, then come back to the garage. It's kind of cold outside, and then explain to you, and then show you guys exactly what I'm going with the whole car, give you guys the full story, kind of a backstory too, so kind of grasp around it, and have an understanding, like whatever. Let me give you a couple reps. All right. Man, alright. I'm gonna just back up one time. Alright. Don't know. Ayo, so exactly, here's what happened to the Audi. So 2 weeks ago, actually a few weeks ago, I went drifting with the car. So never do this to your all-wheel drive. Never go do donuts with your all-wheel drive car. It's not good. Don't do it. So anyways, I did it. Went freaking did some donuts with my car. It was fun. I mean, had a blast time. Proper, not a drifting car or not a car to do donuts. We did that on the snow, which was proper. I did post that on my Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, x_sweetyman, and on YouTube, Instagram is Black Batch Canada. So y'all follow me on those two platforms. I post frequently. Anyways, let's get on with the video. So we did that, did donuts, then came back. I think a couple days afterwards, my steering was kind of like having, like, it was kind of stiff, you know, like when you park your car and you can't really turn your steering wheel. That's exactly what happened. So I kind of ignored the problem. Then Tutus went on the highway and I got a notification saying my steering wheels need to go get checked. So the yellow flashing light with the steering wheel came on with an exclamation mark. So it means it's nothing severe. So took the car out, get on the highway, and then once I get on the highway, I was going about maybe 60 kilometers an hour. Then the steering light came on again with the exclamation light, but this time around it was red. So it kind of like locked my steering wheel. So then what we did was, well, what I did pretty much, I freaking exit the highway, went on the side, then cause get it towed. Then get it towed to Audi dealership, my Audi dealership near me. I got it towed there. So the problem was they had to change my steering rack. So the whole steering rack had to be changed, and that cost me to get that steering rack fixed. Was they quoted me 4,000 plus HST, which comes to 4,500. I could have gotten it somewhere else, get the repairs done for probably cheaper, but hey, with this car I don't really like, you know, I don't really go cheap on the car. I like, you know, making sure like it's done properly. Like, yeah, I could save like maybe $200-300 somewhere else, but would I be happy saying that the work is done like at my satisfaction? I don't know. So I took it to Audi, got it repaired. So did that same day. So Audi did, like, you know, they fixed the car in a day, and then they called me like, yo, your car is good to go, come pick it up the next day. I'm like, yo, wash the car. They're like, nah, because it's too cold. I'm like, nigga, I want the car to be clean, then I'm gonna come pick it up. So I waited an extra day. They cleaned the car, went and go pick it up. It was cool. Took the car for a test drive, then brought it home. So over a year, so as you can see, there's my humble board. So once I brought the car home, then this happened. I'm gonna just show you the car right now. I hope you're ready for this. I'm gonna show you the car, then I'm gonna put some pictures like on the screen, and then, you know, anyways, so this will happen. Boom. Y'all see that? Boom. Like, I ain't got no freaking license plate. Like, that got damaged as well. The grill, it's like it's falling off. I don't know if my radiator is punctured, but I cut into the appraisal, the radiator wasn't punctured. And then, yeah, so the whole front bumper has to get changed, and the grill, and I'm gonna need, like, you know, even my freaking backup camera stopped working. So what happened was, this guy freaking, he doesn't live in the neighborhood though. So he was a visitor. So he came, I guess visit someone, whatever. So I was behind the guy, and then according to what he says, there was traffic in front of him. So he reversed. You know, like when you're reversing, like, you know, check your surrounding. You know, it's very important to check your surrounding. But, you know, the guy didn't, I guess he wasn't paying attention, listening to Drake. He was jamming in his music, you know. I guess the guy was in his feelings, whatever. So unfortunately, the guy fucking, you know, fucking reversed into me, even though I honked at him though. Like I honked at this nigga, I'm like, bro. But nah. So backed up into me. That same day that I just got a freaking $4,500 repair. That same day, the car got into an accident again. So the sad part of the story is I freaking baby my car, and it's always in the garage for some reason. Like either I'm getting heat or like, you know, like I don't know, like, you know, it's crazy. So I don't know. So I'm probably considering, I don't know, I might be moving out of the neighborhood. I don't know, we'll see. And I also might be thinking of selling the car. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, you all heard that, I might be selling the car, so we'll see. But yeah, so that's the full story. So right now I'm taking the car to Enterprise, then from Enterprise taking it to the dealership to get the repairs done. According to the estimate, it's probably gonna take about 6 days or so. We'll see. They might find other damages internal wise, I don't know. It's getting covered, full covered by the insurance, so I wasn't at fault. So anyways, let's go get my rental, see what they give me at the rental. Alright, y'all. Alright, so we just got back home. Well, so what's gonna happen is pretty much I'm gonna have to go back to Audi on either Wednesday or Thursday to get the car there for repairs, because what's gonna happen is they have to order the parts, and the parts sometimes, you know, it takes a couple days for it to come to the shop, RV. So they're gonna do that. Once they get the parts, they're gonna give me a call. I'm gonna pull up on there, then I'm gonna get a rental. So the rental option that I have pretty much is I mean, my insurance actually gave me a premium. So I went to Enterprise. My Enterprise, the premium kind of rentals that they have is like a Dodge Charger RT. They have the Durango RT 2020. I mean, it's a nice car. Yeah. So just first and foremost, guys, if you're thinking of getting, like, you know, a sport car and a nice car, I really recommend you to get it. It doesn't matter, like, you know, about the repairs or whatever. Like, for some reason you get treated, like, you know, a different kind of way, you know what I mean? Like, they treat you like they kind of go out of their way to make sure that you're happy. You know, they want you, it's like they want your business for some reason. Like the Audi dealership, you know, once they find out what kind of car I was driving, they're like, you know, I get a different kind of like, you know, they treat me differently. They're like, yo, you want to try this car? You want to test drive this car? Yeah, if you have this car, yeah. They're like, yo, you can upgrade, you can get the 2019 Audi RS5. Like, you know, if you, like right now we don't have any cars for you to test drive, but once we do, we're gonna give you a car, come test drive it, blah blah blah. They're like, yo, you can go to any dealership and get a test drive, and then come back to us and we'll hook you up. Like, you know, like, it's like, the treatment is proper, you know, just like, it's nice, you know, it's a good feeling, it's different. Even the Enterprise, the way they treated me, they're like, yo, I'm gonna do my best to try to find, you know, a car similar to yours, so when you come back on either Wednesday or Thursday, you get something similar to yours. It's not gonna be like yours, but, you know, a nice luxury car. So which is, like, I appreciate that, you know, like, that gives me, like, you know, the motivation to work even more to strive to get, you know, cars like this, you know, like you feel good in yourself, you know, getting a good treatment. for once in a while. You know, it's great. Yeah, it's expensive to maintain the car, but you know, maintenance actually is not that bad, to be honest with you. You get the, like, you know, it depends on your driver's habit. Like, I have 2 cars, so I kind of baby the Audi because I'm trying to preserve the mileage. So once I go back to either do a trade-in or do a resale, I can get back as much money as I can. So yeah, my options for the rentals, it's a Durango, a 2020 Dodge Durango RT, the all-wheel drive, the Dodge Charger RT. But anyways, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and you know, share the video, guys. I appreciate you. Yeah, I'm gonna give you guys an update, and I'm also coming up with new videos as well. I'm gonna be trying to, like, you know, making like videos kind of every day, not only the vlog videos, but I got audio videos coming up as well. Alright, so stay tuned for that. Alright, you don't know, eh? It's an east side thing, eh? Y'all.